Hi guys, today I would like to show you the laser for Creality Ender 3. This is my first laser. I hope that I will soon buy also some milling machine, but right now I decided I will buy this laser for engraving. So this is the way how I receive it, just in this box, and yeah, let's check it. So okay, here there are three wood. I don't know what is this. It's check it. How much is it? It's 2 millimeters. All three. Looks it looks like a yeah. The wood is not hard. So yeah, I can make a scratch by my nail. Okay. So here installation guide. Okay. Good. Okay. Glasses. Okay. So this glasses is a little bit scratched. Okay. Yeah, it's not. It's just for the protection. So not big deal. But anyway, it's scratched. So okay. You can see. You can see there is a scratched. Okay. And is this? Okay. Cable. But this is, I would say, some different generation of or some new how to say status of this part, because I saw a little bit different PCB for the on the YouTube. So this is probably the newest version. Okay. And the length, you can check it. Length is okay. 39 centimeters, or maybe when I move it here, okay, it's 40 centimeters. And what is here? Oh, here's a laser. Laser head. Okay. Laser head. Laser head with the cable. So, how long is this cable? 40. 40. Oh, that's quite good. Okay, so it's 80, 90, 1 meter, 1 meter, 10, 1 meter, 15 centimeters. I would say this should be enough. Okay. This should be the magnets, as I understood. Yeah, it is. But okay, this is how printer works. We will see. Anyway, I would like to. Not so bad, but anyway, maybe I will not use the magnets, and I will use the different way how to fix it. And the YouTube is a nice video how to do it interchangeable between the laser and the printing head. So this is something what I would like to have on my printer. Maybe I will share the link in the description. Now you can see how there is a slightly misalignment. Can you hear it? Can you hear this? There are 4 magnets, but not all 4 are in the same plane. That means that just 3 are right now in contact with this steel. So okay, it was quite cheap. I bought it right now in some sale, so I really saved around 30% for this laser. So anyway, it was great price, but you can see that there is still some details which should be better. Okay, I hope I will help you with this unboxing, and later on when I will do some engraving, I will share the result. So have a nice evening, guys, and hear you later. Bye.